3 tips for using the Apple's Book app. Hello guys and welcome back to another tutorial video. Now if you guys are book lovers, you must have heard of the Books app on iPhone. Now if you already have this app, simply open it up. Now this app is a really cool app. You can use this app to read books offline or online. You can simply download a book whichever you want. And the first step, let's start. So the first step is the books are actually free. So most books that you would like to read, which are available here, you can find them for free. You don't have to go outside and buy them, or you don't have to use your credit card or your debit card to buy it from App Store. So you can simply head over to any book that you'd like, and after you find the book that you want to download, you can simply tap on it and then tap on the get option. After you do that, you will have downloaded the app, and it's that easy. Now the second tip is you can simply import a book too. You don't really have to download it or buy it directly from the app. You can simply import a book that you have on your device. Now let's say that you have downloaded a book and it's saved on your files. Simply head over to the book, long press on it, and you will see the share option. Tap on share. After you tap on share, you will find the apps option. Go to apps and there you should find the books option. So choose the app that is books, and now you have added a book. So yeah, it's that simple guys. Now the third tip is you can use the text to speech option. Now this is a really useful function. If you just want to hear books and not read them, you can simply select the paragraph or the books whichever you want, and after you tap on it, you'll see the speak option. Simply tap on the speak option so that the book can speak.
The account of Siam is chiefly taken from a...
As you can see, this is a really useful tip. Now, yeah, those are the 3 tips for using the Apple Books app. Thanks for watching, guys. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye. Take care.